TikTok made me buy that are worth it. The new Inscents Waterfall. It helps you unwind and sleep faster. Comes with 100 free cones for you to try. And the best part is that it's even on sale.
Like, hello? Look how gorgeous this is. I'm so excited to test it out.
The essential oil cones are made with all natural ingredients and are backed by science to relieve anxiety and stress in a natural way.
Last night I put it on before I went to sleep and I slept amazing. Like, I cannot even describe the sleep I had. It was otherworldly.
So the fact that people have been using this to sleep well for 5,000 years immediately sold me.